Welcome to Daily Call Reporting module. In this video, you will learn how to record your daily doctor visits, update your call details, and complete your daily reporting in Saniforce. Step 1. Add a doctor call. From the home page, select Add Call. Below, you can find the listed doctors, unlisted doctors, chemists, and stockers. There, you can filter and find the required doctor. This opens the call entry screen where you can record the details of your visit. Step 2. Record product details. Tap product and select the product you have promoted and enter the required details such as RX quantity, sample quantity, and feedback, and tap save to return to the call entry screen. Record inputs. To record the promotional material that is issued during the visit, tap input and then select the input that is being provided, enter the quantity and tap save. Step 4. Add additional calls. In case you have met more than one doctors in the same visit, tap additional calls. Select another doctor, record the required details and tap save. You can repeat this process for multiple doctors. Step 5. Record the joint fieldwork. If your visit was accompanied by another user or a manager, open the joint fieldwork. Select the accompanying user and save the details. Step 6. Capture event photos. To attach the photos related to the visit, tap Event Capture. Capture an image, enter the details required if applicable, and tap Save. Step 8. Submit the calls. Once all the required information is entered, tap Submit. Now your doctor call is submitted and will appear under the call section on the home screen. Step 9. Edit the submitted call. Before closing the day, you can edit the submitted call if required. Select the call from the home screen, click the three dots and tap the edit. Go and make the necessary changes and then save again. Step 10. Final submit. After reviewing all the calls, go to the home page and click the final submit. Now your daily call report has been saved. Step 11. View the daily call reports. To visit the submitted activities, go to the reports and day reports. Here, both the medical representative and the manager can view the day's activities including visits, work details, and call summaries. Tap the doctor count to view the call information. Step 12. Dashboards. For detailed performance insight, go to View Dashboards. MR Dashboard. Here you can view the key performance metrics like call average, doctor coverage, missed calls, repeated calls, joint work, call details, product versus promotion. Monthly summary. Here you can see the monthly overview of listed doctors, unlisted doctors, chemists, stockists, territory coverage. Missed call reports. Here you can quickly identify the visits missed for listed doctors, unlisted doctors, chemists, stockists. Review report. Here you can view the complete monthly summary insights including working information, doctor and chemist details, joint work, sample and input, product performance, top 5 products, call adherence, target and sales, secondary sales, tour plan and expense. In this video, you have now learned how to record your doctor visits, how to submit your daily call reports and view your reports in the Saniforce. Use these features to ensure your daily activity is accurately recorded and submitted.